I'd just like to say how happy Alice and I are to win first prize at this year's Miller's Pond Boat Carnival. Oh, thank you. Oh. Thank you.
Come on, Angelina. It's time for bed.
Oh.
Now put your dad's trophy back.
Dun, 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 dun. Well, you won it 4 times, Dad. I'm going to win it this year.
So, how are you going to decorate your boat?
Well, it'll be a huge white swan with wings on either side. And in the middle will be a big gold throne for Alice and me, the Swan Princesses.
It sounds lovely, dear. But don't count on being teamed with Alice.
Oh, I'm sure I will, Mum. Dum, da, dum, dum.
Shush.
And Priscilla will be with Penelope.
We went away.
Flora will be with William. Angelina will be decorating a boat with Sammy.
Sammy!
Angelina?
Alice will be with Henry.
Oh. Oh, no.
Felicity will be with Spike.
Miss, do I have to do a boat with Sammy?
Miss, I don't want to do a boat with Angelina.
Well, I'm afraid you're going to have to. This is exactly what the boat carnival is all about.
Wow.
Teamwork. Learning to work together happily, side by side, shoulder to shoulder, nose to the grindstone, all hands on deck, and of course having fun.
What do you mean a swan boat? Oh, I suppose you want it to be all pink and fluffy.
The big gold throne.
I wouldn't be seen dead in a sissy swan boat.
Well, you wouldn't catch me standing on some stupid pirate ship.
I've done some drawings.
Oh. But you've got me wearing an eye patch and a peg leg.
Good, eh?
Oh, Sammy, what?
We've got a chair leg that you can use, Angelina.
So, what's the plan, mateys?
A Swan
pirate
Princess boat.
Well, you'd better decide which. It's not long before the carnival.
So, there's only one thing to do then.
For once you're right, Sammy. There is only one thing to do. Exactly what Miss Chalk said. Work side by side. There. And no going over the line.
I wouldn't want to go into your smelly swan.
And I wouldn't go near your horrible pirate half, even if you paid me. Are you sure you don't want this?
No, that's all right.
One for the candy bowl. And one for you. Oh. One for the candy boat. One for you.
Well, I must say it looks,
Crowded.
well, it's never going to float with that great big silly cannon.
What about that enormous bird's head?
Well, we're not going to win the prize if we sink because of your cannon. We'll try it out on the stream first thing tomorrow morning. It's floating!
Yeah!
Oi, oi! Nice boat we got there. What's she called?
The Swan Princess!
Pirate King!
That's a big name for a small boat.
All aboard the Pirate King!
Oh, my image of the Swan Princess.
Oh,
Sammy! Oh.
Either the river is getting higher or we're sinking. We're sinking!
I said that cannon was too heavy.
It's that stupid bird's head! It's pulling us down!
Well, we've got to do something. I'll get rid of this.
Okay, I'll get rid of this.
It's still sinking. Well, we've got to throw something else. This.
This!
Oh, no, there's nothing left.
Yeah, but at least we're floating.
Well, we're floating all right. Downstream. Where are the oars?
Oh, over there, between the cannon and the swan's head.
Oh, no.
This is real silk.
One for the candy boat.
Alice,
One for you.
Alice, how can I be feeling seasick when we're not even on the water yet?
I just don't know, Henry.
Where's Angelina?
Oh, probably just putting the finishing touches to her boat.
We've got to stop this boat.
Look, there's a big tree stump up ahead.
Oh, if only we had some rope, we could loop it over.
Vines! Try and grab one.
Well, we're nearly there. Get ready. Steady.
Now! You get one end, I'll get the other. Got it!
Got it. Okay, and 1,
1, 2, 3.
go!
Got it! Now, pull! Yeah! We did it!
Yes! But how are we going to get back to the carnival?
Oi, oi. Oh dear, that old pirate princess, or whatever you called it, isn't looking quite as chipper as it did.
Pirate Princess? Oh.
I'm a bit worried about Angelina.
Oh, don't worry, dear. You know how she always likes to make an entrance?
What's that?
Oh! I didn't think it'd be quite that big, though. Hooray!
Well done, ladies. And here is an extra prize from Mrs. Thimble. A big bag of sweeties.
Uh-oh. Well, maybe just one.
And this year's special prize for the best teamwork goes to Angelina and Sammy.
What?
Oh, wow!
Yeah! Sorry we didn't win, Dad.
Ah, but you carried on a much more important family tradition.
Your partner!
You two did the boats together, Dad.
Yes, but we'd never have got a teamwork prize. We were always arguing.
Well, I wouldn't say that, old boy. I don't think we were always arguing.
Yes, we were.
We weren't.
We were.
Oh, Sammy, you keep the trophy.
No, Angelina, you keep it.
No, you can have it.
No, you have it.
No, I want